Class 9th Mathematics, Chapter 7, Triangles, Exercise 7.3, question number 5. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Side BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AB. See figure show that angle BCD is a right angle. Okay, angle BCD is a right angle. Solution. Given that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle isosceles triangle isosceles triangle AB is equal to AC AB is equal to AC. Okay, BA is produced to D. BA is produced to D and AD is equal to AB. Okay, AD is equal to in triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to angle DAC. Okay, in triangle ACD, in triangle ACD, angle ADC plus angle ACD is equal to angle BAC. Okay, in triangle ABC, angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal to angle DAC. Okay, exterior angle property of triangle ABC. Okay, next triangle ACD, angle ADC plus angle ACD equal to angle BAC. Okay, exterior property of a triangle ACD. Okay, equation 1 and equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. LHS and RHS. Okay, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle ADC angle ADC plus angle ACD is equal to angle DAC plus angle BAC. Okay, angle ABC is equal to angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, comma angle ADC is equal to angle ACD. Okay, angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides. Angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Okay, angles opposite sides of a triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. AB is equal to AC. Angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Okay, angles opposite to equal sides. Okay, and angle ADC is equal to angle ADC is equal to angle ACD. Okay, in triangle ACD, AD is equal to AC. Okay, AD is equal to AC given. Angle ADC is equal to angle ACD. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Angle ABC, write angle ACB plus angle ACB plus angle ACD, angle ACD plus angle ACD is equal to angle DAC plus angle BAC. Angle DAC plus angle BAC is equal to straight angle, equal to 180 degrees. Angle DAC plus angle BAC equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Therefore, angle ACB plus angle ACB, 2 angle ACB plus 2 angle ACD plus ACD, 2 angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Take common 2 angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Therefore, angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 by 2. Okay. 290 is 180 degrees. Okay. Therefore, angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to angle ACD is equal to 90 degrees. Angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to angle BCD. Okay, angle BCD. Therefore, angle BCD is equal to 90 degrees. Angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to angle BCD. Okay, angle BCD, angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to angle BCD. Okay, therefore angle BCD is equal to 9 degrees. Angle BCD is a, therefore angle BCD is a right angle. Okay, right angle.